about letter sound sh. In the next video, I'm going to explain to you about what you need to do in the worksheet that we have given you. Are you guys ready? Check the video out. Students, on this page, we are going to learn again about letter sound sh. So let me remind you again about letter sound sh. So this is letter sound sh. We are going to read each word that has letter sound sh and then draw a line to its correct picture. Alright, let's start from the first one here. The word is sh, e, p, sh, e, p, sh, eep, ship, ship. Find the picture of a ship. Next, let's read this word shop, shop, shop. Let's find picture of a shop. Next, read this word art, art, short, short. This is a short. Next, read this word for me. Shell, shell, shell is this one. Next, read this word for me. Art, art, shot. Shot is like close, shut the door, close the door. Draw a line to this picture. Next, read this word for me. Ish, ish, fish, fish. Draw a line to the fish. Next, read this for me. Ish, ish, dish. The word dish, the picture is this one. Next, read the word for me. Ash, ash, cash. Cash is related with money, cash. Next, this one. Ash, ash, mash. Mash is like mashed potato. Last one. Ash, rush, rush. Rush means fast. Rush. This is the picture of rush. That is the end. So students, that was the lesson about reviewing letter sound sh. Remember, when you are doing your work, ask your mom or your dad to take a picture and send it to me. that was from you for today. I will see you again in the next video. Bye!